What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana. Right now we're going to get right in. We're going to be working our abs today. We're doing an ab challenge that we're going to do 3 times a week, and we're going to do it in 45 seconds. So our warm-up is we're just sitting up straight and we're reaching to the side. We're twisting to the right and to the left. You're going to feel it just warming up. This is just going to get our abs ready. Just warm us up. We got some exciting moves that's gonna come up. If you guys haven't already, when this workout video is over, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I would love that. Keep that chest up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so our first workout is we're gonna do crunches. So your legs can be straight or they can be down like this. And all we're doing is we're lifting our chest up and we're crunching. Make sure you're breathing, guys, the whole time. You definitely don't want to get dizzy. Breathing and inhaling, exhale makes it all better. You're going to feel this, guys, with your upper abs. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to straighten my legs for the advanced first. But for the modified, you're going to keep those legs down. Don't forget, modified means you can still get the same results. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we're gonna stay down and we're gonna do dead bugs. Dead bugs, you're gonna have your legs straight in a 90-degree angle and you're moving your arm and your opposite leg. You're touching the ground with that foot. If this is too hard, you can keep your legs up and just move your legs just like this. But for everyone else, I want you to give me your all. Give me your all with this. You got this. Dead bugs are such a good workout. They work that core, they work that lower abs. It's just awesome. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. So what we're gonna do is V-sits overhead claps. So the V-sit overhead claps is you're literally just clapping overhead. I do know that this is kind of challenging. So if you can't do this, you're just gonna do a V-sit and you're gonna do pulses like this, keeping your chest up. But for everyone else, I want you to clap. Oh yeah, I can feel it already and we just started. That's the great part about it. You're gonna see results so quick. Let me hear those claps. Oh yeah, keep that chest up. Okay, you got this. You're gonna feel all in that upper ab part. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we're gonna do a sit-up with a sharp twist crunch punch. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna do sit-ups and a sharp punch. That way we're working the core and we're working our obliques. We're doing the whole center. This is one of my favorite ones, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I love this one. I like to do this a couple of times a week. And I really see results when I do this. Get that sharp punch. Like you're ready to box. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do is bicycle press. Like you guys know, I wanted to keep this all to the ground. And for bicycle press, all you're doing is you're laying flat. You can put your arms around your back of your head, the back of your knee, and you're just moving your legs in and out, like you're riding a bike. And what I like about this is that you can do this in a slow motion, and it doesn't have to be fast. But if you want to go fast, you can. And I want you guys, just for the last couple seconds, to lift that neck up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we're on our last one, which is Starfish. So Starfish is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to be in a starfish position, and all you're doing is you're touching your opposite legs to your opposite hand. This is kind of like our other workouts when we're standing up straight and you're touching that opposite foot. But this, you're just laying down the whole time. This is definitely working the obliques. You want that summer body? You got to eat clean. Abs are made in the kitchen. Abs are made with eating healthy, eating clean, and doing this workout. And come on, we're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we do a bonus? I think so. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's roll up. Oh my gosh, we're already done. 5 minutes is already done. I'm so proud of you. Guys, please make sure that you're doing this 3 times a week for the next month. Take a before and after picture. I can't wait to see them. Please make sure that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I love you all. Bye.